So this is what I see on my phone day in and day out. I only have the 100 stocks for my Roth IRA set up in Robinhood just to track, and I get notifications all day long. And this is what I see. Honeywell down, T down, HR stocks are down this week, down this week, down this week, down this week. Come on down a little farther here, down this week, down this week, down this week. Look at yesterday, down this week, down this week, down this week, over 5%, over 5% down today, this week, this week. Um, I think there might be a sell-off happening, guys. What do you think? Maybe the stock market's crashing. Welcome back, Freedom Savers. I could not resist to make a video today. As you know, the stock market seems to be crashing. I wasn't sure I was even going to be able to put out one video this week on Friday for my updates because I got food poisoning yesterday. And man, I'll tell you what, you do not want food poisoning. It is horrible. It's coming out both ends at the same time, and you're cramped up, and oh my God, just I was in hell. Anyways, I am feeling much better today, aside from the fact that I can't walk from my leg cramps from being dehydrated. But I'm watching the stock market this week, and it is just insane. It has been dropping and dropping and dropping. And this is not the time to sell, guys. Don't freak out. But as you can see, today alone, we are down 2.3% on the S&P 500, 2.61 on the Dow, 2.57 on NASDAQ, and 2.16 on Russell. It's kind of nuts. Everybody is scared right now. Everybody's emotions are causing sell-offs. Don't let your emotions do the same. We look at my portfolio. If you look at my portfolio, I own like 147 different stocks. I own 150, but some of them are duplicated in two different portfolios. But out of my 147 different stocks, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 stocks out of 147 that are actually up today. It's currently 12:23 p.m. in Arizona, so the market will close in about 2 hours, somewhere in there. I don't see it recovering, but you never know. But I just want to make a little video and say, don't freak out. Here's a quick preview of the Roth. I'm down quite a bit. Not good. If we look at the S&P 500 and we look over the last, well, obviously in the year, we are down. We are not even making a profit this year at all. Over the 5 years, we are back to June of 2017 timeframe in value. So I would dare say that we are either in a bear market, which I think is pretty obvious, or just a lot of emotions are flying around, causing people to sell, and maybe it'll recover. Maybe people will think maybe I shouldn't sell my stocks. I don't know. Anyways, the sky's falling, guys. There's blood in the streets. If you got some extra cash, you might want to pick up some deals on stocks. In my aggressive, which I'm going to give you a quick rundown. I'll give updates tomorrow, but I deposited extra money into this account yesterday, and I'm going to deposit even more tomorrow, assuming that the stocks don't recover tonight. So I'm going to try to take advantage of the prices being down and buy some more in. Even though these are much riskier stocks, I'm not going to change my strategy. I'm still going to buy in when the price is lower, and we'll see what happens. I'm not sure how far I'm going to take this account. I was originally considering taking it to about $1,000 even, but I'm thinking of depositing like 200 tonight. And I'm trying to balance this crazy dividend, this aggressive dividend one out a little bit, trying to get these percentages up where they should be, because when I deposit, it automatically all goes into this one because it's underweighted. The BDCs and MREITs are underweighted compared to my aggressive dividend picks. So I'm putting tonight, I'll probably put $100 into this and $100 into this, which is what I did last night. So we will see, and hopefully I can get that $100. We'll get this balanced enough that I can just pretty much leave it alone for now and just deposit and let it go into this one and let it catch up. I think I'm probably going to end up going over $1,000 on this account. I'm probably going to take this to at least 1,500, maybe 2,000. Not sure. I do have another crazy portfolio that I want to put together just for entertainment purposes and just to experiment and see how it does. I'm having so much fun in the stock market with it going up and down and all the volatility, and I just want to see what happens with different strategies of investing. So I have this idea that I want to start on January 1st, and I'd like to do it on a live stream, but I need to figure out how to live stream first. There's some encoder things and stuff that I need to figure out. So, but anyways, whether I do a live stream or not, I'm going to do that. Hopefully January 1st, and hopefully the stocks are still way down at that point. I'm hoping, but we will see. So, anyways, keep your senses among you. If you own good companies, let's change to my Roth where there's good companies. So if you own good companies and you know they're solid companies, they're going to be around for many years to come, this is not the time to sell. Stay calm. Don't listen to the news freaking out, the sky's falling, oh my god, sell your stocks, buy this particular one, blah blah blah. Just stick with your strategy, know what your original plan was, and continue to buy when the prices are low. Stocks are on sale, time to buy. It's Black Friday, man. So anyways, I just wanted to touch base with you guys and let you know I haven't disappeared for the week, and I will do the updates tomorrow, assuming that I'm not in the bathroom throwing up. So anyways, hope you guys are doing good, and don't freak out. Have a good one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks guys.